Everybody is looking for the king of the jungle. But did you know young males have to leave the pride first? Here's why it happens. When a male lion reaches about 2 to 3 years old, it's time for him to say goodbye to his pride. Why? Well, it's nature's way of preventing inbreeding and keeping the gene pool healthy. These young males set off together in small groups called coalitions. Think of it as a lion road trip. They'll roam the savannah, learning to hunt and survive on their own, until they're strong enough to challenge other males, and maybe take over a pride themselves. It's a tough journey, but it's how new kings are made in the wild. So next time you watch a wildlife documentary, remember, every mighty lion was once a brave youngster, striking out on his own.